Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by planning your sticker concept and layout on a proper artboard. Work at 300 dpi on an 8, 5x 11-inch artboard and include a 0, 125-inch bleed so cut lines never clip important elements. Create shapes, outlines, and shadows using vector paths to keep edges crisp. Design in RGB for screen previews, then convert to CMYK before exporting to maintain print color fidelity. Plan sticker sizes between 2 inches and 3. Choose materials that last. Waterproof vinyl sticker paper for outdoors or premium matte paper for indoor art. Use pigment ink in inkjet printers or a laser printer for smudge-resistant, fade-resistant prints. Set your printer to high quality or photo mode. After printing, apply a 4mm gloss laminate sheet or roll to protect against scratches, UV, and moisture. Smooth with a squeegee to avoid bubbles. Leave sheets flat for at least 1 hour before cutting to prevent laminate shifting and edge lifting. For precise shapes, use a cutting machine such as Cricut or Silhouette. Choose die cut for full outline or kiss cut to keep stickers on a backing sheet. Set blade depth for vinyl thickness and test, cut 1 sheet before running a batch. Weed excess material carefully, leaving a small 1 to 2 mm white outline if you want a border. Finish with 2 light coats of UV spray sealant, allowing 24 hours drying time. Then trim sheets and store flat to prevent warping.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.